Good morning, class family. It's a terrific Tuesday. Let's go ahead and look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with the date. September 13th, 2022. Dear class family, today is Tuesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will review the ABCs and sing songs. Next, we will blend compound words and learn the letter C. Then we will build routines for picking books. Last, we will label the classroom. It is a great day. Love, Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Let's go ahead and reread the message. Remember, good readers reread or read it again. They do this to help their brain to remember and understand what they're reading. Let's go ahead and look at it again together. Use your finger to point. Start with your finger underneath the date. Do you see the abbreviation for September? I see SEPT period. September. Instead of writing the full month out, we're going to write the shorter version called the abbreviation. Read the date. September 13th, 2022. If you read the date, great job. Let's go ahead and reread the greeting. Dear class family. After the greeting, look at the first sentence. Read it to yourself. What day of the week are we on today? Do you know? Reread this with me. Today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Did you remember that? If you did, go ahead and kiss your brain. And notice this sentence starts with a capital letter. Do you see the T like T-top to start the word today? Good writers always start sentences with a capital letter. Remember, there are 4 things to think about when you're writing a sentence. 1 starts with a capital letter. 2, it tells a complete idea. 3, there's finger spaces between the words. And 4, a punctuation mark at the end. So we're going to be reviewing the parts of a sentence just like as we're noticing all of the sentences within the message. I want you to look really carefully and see how every sentence starts with a capital letter. Look at this next sentence. Do you see the capital W like W wind wa? This sentence starts with an uppercase letter W. Let's reread it. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. You know, we learn a lot at school every day to pump our brains with knowledge. That's what students do when they go to school and they learn from teachers and many different subjects. And remember, we're working on being a great collaborator, communicator, and creative and critical thinker. Starting all the way in kindergarten. Let's see how we're going to do that this morning during language arts. First, we will review the ABCs and sing songs. Okay, so we're going to use our resource, the word wall. We're going to review the ABCs, starting with A, going all the way to Z, zebra, Z. We're going to be using music to help us remember the letters and sounds. Shout out to Mr. B and Jack Hartman's YouTube channels. We're going to be using your resources today, and we're going to be focusing on making the letter C like sea cat. And we're going to be brainstorming different words that start with the letter C. Okay, in addition to that, next we will blend compound words and learn the letter C. Okay, so I jumped ahead with singing songs. Remember, we're going to learn about ABCs and the letter C. We're also going to do compound words. We started that yesterday. You're doing such a wonderful job. Remember, a compound word is 2 words that are smushed together to make one. Let's look at some examples. Snow plus man is snowman. Star plus fish is starfish. Cup plus cake is cupcake. Rain plus coat is raincoat. Lip plus stick is lipstick. And light plus house is lighthouse. We're going to review compound words. We're going to be using music. We're going to be figuring out what two word parts make that compound word. Also, then we'll build routines for picking books. Okay, so good readers build routines for picking books. Remember at school, you're going to be a great communicator. I listen, ask questions so I can understand. So we're going to talk about and practice some routines for picking out books. And when you select the book, how you pick a book and you sit in one spot and you focus on the book and how you look at the pictures and words to help your brain know what's happening in that book. So we know I read to understand and learn. So we're going to be practicing our routines for that. As we're practicing routines and throughout the school day, remember, you can be a great communicator and collaborator. So use your mouth to share your answers and speak, and your ears to listen to others, other students and teachers. We want to hear when people share their thinking or when questions are being asked or if you're being redirected. Okay, last year label the classroom. It is a great day. Oh, it is a great day. And when we label the classroom, that'll be during writing workshop, and we'll get our resources together, and you get to decide if you'd like to use paper and pencil or a whiteboard and marker. And we'll look at the labels in the classroom, and you'll practice writing the room when you write those words down and pump your brains with knowledge. Let's have a terrific Tuesday. It is fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and look at the question for today. It's going to be in a T-chart, yes or no answers, and it happens to be, dun, 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 a compound word. Do you like rainbows? Ooh, rain plus bows is rainbows. Do you like rainbows? Think about what your answer is, and will be a great communicator, and you'll share yes or no. We'll do a tally mark in that T-chart, and you're going to share your reason why that's your answer. Do you like rainbows?